with that computer, with the newer technology, printers have come a long way as well. The first thing I want to talk about with this computer is the way that, this printer is the way that it looks. Most printers are small and compact, but most don't have a splash of color. And when I saw these, I was like, whoa, these are the prettiest printers we have offered. So if I may, I'd like to take you through the colors, and then we're gonna dive into it because this is already a customer pick. It, of course, is gonna be a printer that will print any of your flyers or your documents, but it's also a copier, it's a scanner, and it's also a fax. So I know we don't fax as often as we used to, but occasionally I still fax. And this is also a fax machine. So let's go over the colors and then we'll dive into it a little bit more. So next to me is going to be your coral, which is really beautiful. And next to the coral, or in front, we have the gray choice. And then I think my personal favorite is the teal. I don't know why, but I really like that a lot. You like the teal too? Yeah, I really like the teal. So again, copier, scanner, printer, of course. It's a fax. One more thing I want to tell you. It's gonna come with a voucher. Let's see if I can find it.
The big one in the middle there, Marla.
I see it. I want to show you this. This is the thing that I have an HP printer at home, but I didn't get this. Don't forget to redeem your, look at that number, 8 months of ink. Say what? What did you pay the last time you had to buy ink for your printer? $50? $65? 8 months of ink. I want to hear from you. If you're in the market to buy a new printer, I think you just found the one. This one is a little bit more money, but feature to feature, it's a better printer. Aaron Berger is our electronic expert, and he's gonna take us through all the details. So Aaron, you own this printer. I keep wanting to call it a computer, but you own this printer. Tell me what you love about it.
I love everything about it. I love how fast it is. I got the 8 months of instant ink too when I bought it, and I thought, well, heck, if it's time to buy new ink, that's gonna offset about half the price of the printer, right? I love that it's copy, print, scan, and fax, and it really is the most professional. If you wanna pop in documents to your auto document feeder, good to go. You also have a flatbed. You have a great big 250 sheet feeder tray, so you can have a lot of paper in there at one time. The reason I'm over here, hear me kind of talking to Marlo across the studio, the one in the middle or whatever, is because I wanna prove something to you. In order to print to the printer, another one of my favorite things, I print all the time, either when I'm laying in bed being lazy or when I'm downstairs and something comes through on the phone, and you know, if I'm in the kitchen and I wanna print it real fast. One of the really nice things, I'm gonna just hit print right now. You can print from any device in the world that will send an email. Any smartphone, any tablet, any computer, doesn't matter if it's a Mac, if it's a PC, if it's Windows, if it's Google. From any device, you can print from anywhere in the world because the computer has its own email address. It's called HP ePrint. It's a feature that's built in that I absolutely love. I'm gonna send one other thing real quickly here. I'm just gonna press, boom. There we go. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Send on this, and now I'm sending a document over there as well. Let me head over. I'm gonna set this computer down, and I'm gonna head over and show you guys what those photos look like, what the documents look like. This is, as Marlo said, my new computer. So come on, let's go over, and I'll try not to walk in front of any cameras here, but I might walk in front of them. They're everywhere, and show you guys what these prints look like. So, Marlo mentioned at the beginning of the airing, there aren't a lot of machines that we sell anymore that are print, copy, scan, and fax. This is a true, full all-in-one. I think that's one of the reasons why huge customer pick on hsn.com. This is the 3rd airing we've ever done on this computer.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me, now you got me doing it. This on a printer. This is a printer, not a computer.
Don't blame me.
I'm sorry, I probably got you doing it first.
Yeah, well, we spent half 45 minutes of the hour talking about the computer.
So I printed a picture down here. Perfect edge to edge, right?
Well, look at the quality of that.
I haven't told you the best part, and then up here, I'll just go ahead and pull this one off. I also, this is what I sent from so I sent this from the phone, I sent this from the computer. Do you know whether it's an 8.5 by 11 or a 4 by 6 like this, it doesn't matter. The one thing I haven't told you that's so important, this is the lowest price color printing in America. So this print, this full 8.5 by 11 edge to edge color print, because this has HP Instant Ink, which I'll talk more about in a minute, this costs $5 pennies to print. Now think about that for a minute. Right now, when you print a full 8.5 by 11 photo, you think, oh man, I just used a third of my ink cartridge. That probably cost me $5. It doesn't cost $5. It costs 5 pennies. So if you have an older printer right now where you're just about to buy new ink for it, it's an old dinosaur, it doesn't print, copy, scan, fax, it doesn't, I'll bet you anything, your copier, printer, scanner, whatever you have, doesn't have this interface on it. This beautiful, it's like having a tablet on the front of your phone. Marlo, you can pop in a USB. I've put a little USB. It's behind the graphics right now, but there we go. You guys see that right there?
Oh,
you
that's
can
nice.
Put a USB stick in here, and I'm gonna show you what you can do. You can view and print photos. So I'm gonna go, yeah, okay, any photo you want. I'm gonna print a photo of my little guy. There's Max. I'm gonna say continue. Now this has full built-in editing capability. So without going to your computer, if you wanna remove red eye, if you want to change the size, which I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this into an 8.5 by 11. If you want to pinch, if you wanna zoom, there we go, there's letter 8.5 by 11. You can do all of that without ever going to a computer, just using the sort of built-in computer capability that's here. Look, if I wanted to rotate the photo, I could rotate the photo. I mean, this is pretty extreme functionality to have on your printer, right? I'm gonna press print, and in about 2 minutes, and for 5 pennies, I'm gonna have a perfect 8.5 by 11 edge-to-edge photo.
So it's worth it alone just to print the photos that you may have in your cell phone. Believe it or not. I mean, if you really think about that, especially because we're giving you 8 months of ink, the 8 months of ink already fully covers the cost of the printer. HP, by the way, their printers are the #1 best-selling printers here at HSN. And this is the most feature-rich because yes, it's gonna print your flyers and all of your documents, but your scanner, it's your copier as well. You do need to decide what color is your favorite color. So I'm standing in front of the coral. Down below, we have the gray. The gray has been the #1 favorite and the most popular.
Believe it or
you have
not.
the gray? Yeah. So the
I'm
gray,
a color guy, but I went for the gray.
The gray is the #1. It's the most popular. And then, of course, we also have it in the teal. That's the one that I like as well. $50 off. $50 is quite a significant amount of money to save. So it's a customer pick, it's $50 off, and it's only $30 to get it at home, and we have free shipping and handling. We've talked about that the kids are finally settled into school. You already know, if they haven't already started rolling in book reports, research papers, science projects, it goes on and on and on and on. And I know my nephews, they're required to type and on computers and print their documents.
Sure.
And so this is not only great for the entire family, but one of the things that I've learned is that most families, especially families with children, it's recommended that you have 2 printers in the home. Because the one thing you don't want is to happen is for your kid to say, hey mom, I've got a book report that's due tomorrow, and it's 8 o'clock at night or 10 o'clock at night on a Sunday, and now the ink is low on your printer and you can't go out. It's nice to be able to have a second one as a backup plan. So this is a great way to do it. $30, free shipping and handling, and HP. So we're gonna show you, we've shown you the photos. The photos alone, I think, are worth the price of admission because look at the quality. I mean, you think about the beautiful color, and we all have hundreds, if not thousands of photographs on your phone. If you haven't printed them yet, use this to print the photos that you have in your phone right now.
Well, for the next 8 months, it's free, by the way.
Well, that's what I
let's just
said.
talk about
It's
that,
worth it alone.
for a minute. There's so much with this printer to talk about. 8 months, it's the most they've ever done of free printing. So you get basically 100 prints a month for the next 8 months. How does that work? It's because we give you 8 months of HP Instant Ink. To Marlo's point, there is that thing with printers where you run out of ink and you're like, oh man, I didn't know I was out of ink. The kids have something due tomorrow morning. Would I have to go fight my way, through the local drugstore? You don't. If you choose to continue with HP Instant Ink, let me tell you what HP Instant Ink is. What is HP Instant Ink? It is an ink replacement program. I have to interrupt myself just for a moment to show you because it just came out. That took about probably 90 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
That's a 5-penny print. That's why this is a customer pick on hsn.com. That's the kind of print that you get every single time, and it costs 5 pennies. What is HP Instant Ink? HP Instant Ink, we have a still we'll show you, is an ink replacement program. So your printer knows when it's out of ink. HP automatically sends the ink to you, but here's what doesn't happen. You don't get dinged for $60 or $70 or $80 for ink. It's $5 a month for the middle plan. And remember, we're including the first 8 months with this printer. So you never run out of ink. It automatically comes to your door. You don't pay for shipping or recycling or anything like that. Here's the best part. Look at the next page. How much do you save? How much can you plan on saving? If you do the middle plan, which is $5 a month, There's one that's $2 less and one that's a couple dollars more. If you do the middle plan, you save $200 a year. So you pay for your printer in the first year, done, bing bang, that's it. If you print a lot, if you print 300 pages a month, it goes down to 3 pennies per page, it's $10 a month, and you'll save $672 in your first year. Now, along with that, we include 250 pieces of paper, really nice heavyweight paper, 4 full ink cartridges.
I have never offered, I've worked here a long time.
Yeah.
I have never offered any printer.
It's so comprehensive.
I've offered printers where they give you 8 sheets of paper.
Sure, right. 20 sheets of photo paper.
You're getting this entire ream of paper. And this is, look, you can even see it there. It says heavy weight project paper, 40-pound weight.
It's really nice.
That's professional quality. We're giving you this entire 250 sheet ream of paper. And we don't even stop there. There are even software programs that come along with it. I mean, when I tell you feature for feature, this is an amazing value, like I wanna buy it. If you want it, gray, coral, or teal, $30 on a credit card, $50 savings, free shipping and handling. Go to our website, hsn.com, or call us at our toll-free 800 number. I wish we had more time because my notes say that it actually has voice-activated printing.
It does. So you can, there's some really cool things. If you have an Alexa device, you can ask it to print a calendar or to print a Crayola coloring page or to print, there are so many other things. And one other thing that we've got to show though before we're out of time, the printer in front of Marlo's. It's the gray one. It's the one that I bought. I bought the gray printer myself.
It's the most popular.
Is it? Okay, yeah. And the colors are great. I went for the gray. It does two-sided, so you see all of these have all printed. We've been on air for, I think, 11 minutes. These have all printed in the 11 minutes that we've been on air, and I just want to show you what they are. It prints on the front and the back of the page. This is called duplex printing. So at first, let me just take these out for a minute so you can maybe see a little bit better. Let's see if, has it done this side yet? No, okay, cool, you'll see. So it prints the page, it lets it dry for a second, it turns it in, flips it around by itself, and then it prints on the other side of the page. So you know what this means?